Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute. I hope we're all fine. So today I'm gonna be showing you how you can do a pre-poo on dry hair. So a pre-poo is a treatment that you basically do before you shampoo your hair. So the first thing that you need is water, and this is to help the product that you're going to put to really be absorbed by the hair shaft. So I use my spray bottle. This is just water, nothing in it. So I just spray it all over my hair. I've just removed a protective style, and as you can see, my hair is pretty much dirty. It is knots, tangled up, and all these things. So the pre-poo will actually help you to detangle your hair safely, without pulling at it, without breaking it. And the best pre-poo to use is actually an oil, all right, not a conditioner, but an oil. And I'll explain why I prefer using an oil over a conditioner when I am doing a pre-poo. As you can see on my hair, all the product built up is actually coming up on the surface as I massage the water on the hair. This is all the dirt that has been accumulating throughout the few weeks that I had this protective style. So next up, I actually part the hair into 4 sections so that it's easy to manage and handle. So this is the next thing that you do.
I've been waiting for a love like this. So 기분 좋은 바람 불어와 행복한 너 그리고 나 우릴 감싸고 with you by my side.
Right, so my hair is nicely parted in 4 sections. And the next thing I do is to now apply coconut oil onto the sections. And I have said that oils are best for pre-poo rather than a conditioner. And the reason why I say so is that oils are easily absorbed into the hair shaft. And I particularly love coconut oil because it is light and it is actually a moisturizer. As you know, there are different categories, for the hair oils that we use. Some oils are sealants, and these are, for example, castor oil, which is actually very heavy. And for the moisturizing oils, we have coconut oil, we have almond oil, and these are the oils that you can actually use when you're doing a pre-poo. So you're going to make sure that all the hair is covered in oil. Sometimes I literally drench the hair with oil. So you actually work your fingers through the hair as you detangle. So this is going to help you remove all the knots, the build up that may have accumulated during the course of the the protective style. And I go on to do that. As you can see, coconut oil is easily absorbed, and it absorbs nicely into the hair shaft. And after doing this process, you're not going to be bothered about knots, and this will save you a lot of breakage. So when you actually use conditioner to do a pre-poo, the conditioner is not going to be easily absorbed into the hair shaft. It will just sit on top of your hair, which is really not good. We actually want oil to be absorbed. Remember, when you're shampooing, you're basically removing a lot of oils from your hair, and some of the oil that is going to be removed is actually oil that is needed by the scalp. So when you do a pre-poo treatment, you are helping your scalp to retain the oil that is needed by the hair. So this is a very, very important step that you need to do before you shampoo, and I can recommend that you do this as often as possible. Applying oil in 4 sections, and now it is time to apply it. And the safest way of applying it is to use a wooded cap like this one. As you can see, this is electric. So this is how it looks like. You can get this on Amazon and it's very, very cheap. I bought it for less than $10 on Amazon. And it's got this regulator over here. So before I put this on, as you can see, my hair looks quite moisturized, and the reason why I am using coconut oil is because it is a lighter oil and it easily penetrates the hair shaft. Unlike oils like castor oil, almond oil, these oils are heavy and they are best used as sealants, because they will sit on top of the hair shaft. So coconut oil is easily absorbed into the hair. This is the reason why I prefer using the coconut oil. Now I'll use plastic bag.
Because I'm emptying my heart to you, yeah. Sa-dum dum dum dum, sa-dum dum dum da 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 da. Everything is so right. 서로가 마주하는 이곳.
So what I'm going to do is I'll sit under this wood for about 15 minutes. And then I will show you how the hair will be looking like before I shampoo it. Okay, so the 15 minutes is up and it's now time to remove the wood and see the progress, see what has happened to the hair. As you can see, the hair looks very moisturized, shiny. It is not free, no knots at all. It is not tangled. So this is really a very, very important part of your wash routine, to make sure that you preserve your hair, make sure that your hair is well detangled before you shampoo it. I really like the way it's feeling on my fingers. Really feels good. So yeah, till next time, don't forget